Hello. I did a video on a DIY water purification / cook kit that I carry. I built it around the military canteen cups and canteen. Also took a military canteen cup, cut it out, and drilled holes in it and such, and made a stove. All nest together. Very nice little kit. But I just wanted to share another kit that I made that I also have carried, and I have it on my hip today. This one here is a more modern style, but it works basically in the same way. I can use it for water purification and also cooking. I carry that kit in the One Tigress water bottle pouch, and also have a couple stickers on here. Have LT Wright knives, and of course Muskrat Jim. Had the pleasure of actually spending a weekend with him, camping out, him and a few friends, and awesome time. Give Muskrat Jim a check out if you already haven't. I'm sure you probably have. Great guy. So, I'm going to break this out and show you what's in this kit. First off, in this pouch here, I have Expedition Research Titanium Stove. Now, this here is great if it's pouring rain and I want to purify some water or cook. I can collect water if it's pouring rain, but if I want to cook and such, I can put this stove together. Because I also carry some fuel tabs. But to extend the life of the fuel tabs, all I have to do is put some wood in this stove as well as I'm using the fuel tab. I'm going to put this together real quick. This one's simple. Just goes like this. Next one. Then this thing goes down the center. That's the stove. You don't always get a fire or have the firewood, so this can be a great option to carry. Only gives you a little bit of burn. I have 4 tabs. So possibly 4 tabs. I can also add wood if I wanted to use this as a stove. But now in the pouch, what I also have is a bandana. That can be used for grabbing a hot pot and such. If I wrap it up, it's good for filtering out large debris when I'm filling my water bottle and such. But I have a stainless steel water bottle. I can place this right into a fire if I wanted to, boil my water that way, or I have a DIY pot that I also made. This one here, made out of a canister from the dollar store, and I have this stainless steel bail that I made. I just bend it like this when I'm not using it. When I want to use it, I just bend it out, and now I have a bail. That would fit right on top of my stove. So this here is just a quick show. Don't have a whole lot in here, but I have a lot if you know how to use it. This here can cover many uses. I can put this right on a fire, hang it over a fire and such. So the stove is just an extra for convenience. But if you have limited amount of firewood or a fuel source, this can be very valuable. Also, just having a few tabs can get you overnight, say, or a few days if you conserve them, and so on. So a very nice kit for an emergency or for camping. I want to thank you for watching. Take care and all the best.